Hello, everyone, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. I hope you are having a nice day.
Yes, wherever you are listening from, maybe at home, on the bus, walking outside, or drinking tea, we're really happy you are here with us.
Harry, I always imagine our listeners doing different things while listening. Some people listen while cooking, some while driving. Haha.
Yes, and maybe someone is listening while pretending to work in the office.
Oh no, don't get them in trouble.
All right, today's topic is very important for English learners.
Yes, today we are talking about something many learners ask.
Exactly. The topic is daily English practice routine. Improve your English in 30 days.
Ooh, I like this topic.
Me too, because many people say, Harry, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Yes, I hear that all the time.
They say, I know words, I know grammar, but when I speak, my mind becomes empty.
Oh, yes, that feeling.
You open your mouth and your brain says, Error 404, English not found. Exactly.
But Harry, honestly, many learners think they are the only one with this problem.
That's true. But actually, almost every English learner feels this.
Even I felt this when I learned Spanish.
Really?
Yes, I understood everything, but when someone asked me a question, I was like, 1 second?
Exactly. So today, we will talk about a simple daily routine to improve your English, step by step.
Not a difficult routine.
Not a boring routine.
And not a study 5 hours every day routine.
Yes, because most people are busy. They have work, school, family, responsibilities.
And sometimes, honestly, we're just lazy.
Yes, that too. First, let's talk about the real problem. Many learners think, I need perfect grammar before speaking.
Yes, that is very common.
But this idea actually stops progress, because when you think too much, you stop speaking.
Overthinking.
Exactly. Let me give an example. Imagine you go to a cafe. The waiter asks, what would you like to drink? And in your mind, you think, okay, grammar, sentence, correct tense, vocabulary.
Meanwhile, the waiter is just standing there like, sir, coffee or tea?
Yes.
Yes.
But simple English is enough. You can say, I would like coffee, or even, coffee, please.
Yes, communication first, perfection later.
Now here is something important. Improving English is not magic. It's small, daily practice.
Like exercise.
Yes, if you go to the gym one day, nothing happens.
But if you go every day for a month, you feel stronger.
English is the same. Small practice every day, even 20 minutes.
That sounds possible.
All right, listeners, let's build a simple routine. Imagine this routine every day for 30 days. Ready?
I'm ready.
First step, listening. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Podcast, YouTube, conversation.
Maybe this podcast.
Yes, good idea. While listening, don't worry about understanding everything. Just relax.
Let the language enter your brain naturally.
Next step, repeat what you hear. Pause the audio, say the sentence again. Example, I'm going to the store. Repeat it.
Listeners, say it with us. I'm going to the store.
Good. Another one, I'll call you later.
Repeat it. I'll call you later.
Now this is powerful. Speak to yourself.
Some people feel shy doing this.
Yes, but it works. Talk about your day. Example, today I woke up at 7. I drank tea. I went to work.
Simple sentences are perfect.
Let's imagine a daily situation. You are at a grocery store.
Okay.
The cashier asks, do you need a bag? What can you say?
Listeners, think about it. Maybe, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Exactly. Small conversations build confidence. Now imagine you call a restaurant.
Oh, phone calls in English. Scary.
Yes, but it can be simple. Hello, I'd like to order food.
Or, is the restaurant open?
Yes, short sentences are powerful. Let me share an important idea. Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
It needs to be understandable.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection. Now let's learn some useful words.
Get ready, listeners. Routine. Daily habits. Example. My morning routine includes tea and reading.
Practice. Doing something again to improve. Example, I practice English every day.
Confidence. Believing in yourself. Example. She speaks English with confidence.
Improve. To become better. Example, I want to improve my speaking.
Habit. Something you do regularly. Example. Listening to English is a good habit.
Mistake. Example, making mistakes is normal.
Comfortable. Example. I feel comfortable speaking English now.
Progress. Example, I see progress after 1 month.
Harry, I love this word. Progress.
Me too, because progress means you are moving forward, even slowly. All right, listeners, let's do a small speaking exercise. Repeat after me. I practice English every day.
Again. I practice English every day.
Next sentence. I am improving step by step.
Nice.
Before we finish, we want to say something important. Learning English takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
Don't compare yourself with others.
Compare yourself with yesterday's you.
If today you speak 1 sentence, that is progress. All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
We hope this helped you feel more relaxed about learning English.
Remember, small practice every day.
Your English could improve in 30 days if you stay consistent.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
and tell us in the comments, what is your daily English routine?
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening to 24/7 Talk English.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.